What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Outside of a service call right now. I had a guy broke his trailer hitch while they was on the freeway. Luckily, they said they had just unloaded it, or it probably would have been on the news. It would have been a situation. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can kind of see. This is the trailer I'm working on. This is the latch device that they had on this one, and as you see, the pin broke that was welded here. I don't really think that was real safe, and they just put it against here and tighten it. I don't really think that's real smart for this setup because they had a lot of weight and stuff in the bed, towing a lot of rocks. So we're gonna lift this up because it bent this some. You see here, kind of dropped off. So I'm gonna get a jack and probably sit it down here and lift it up some, and I'll come up with a new mechanism to lock it with. Unless they want to go back with this, which I don't really think this is good, but I can put another good one on there. But they lost the one that was existing, so I'm trying to figure out a way to actually make it better than this. You got a couple welds too I need to check on there for some cracks. That's what I'm doing today, working on this, seeing what I can come up with. I'll be checking back in with y'all soon once I figure out how I'm line this out. So that's what I'm doing today. Black Phoenix, hog on.